My topic is OSI model, submitted to Balvidhar Kaur, submitted by Gautam Mehta. Now it's part introduction. OSI stands for Open System Interconnection. It has been developed by ISO, International Organization of Standardization, in the year 1984. OSI model. The 7 layers of OSI model. The shortcut of learning all these layers is that please do not touch Sachin pet alligator. Please for physical layer, do for data link layer, not for network layer, touch for transport layer, Sachin for session layer, pet for presentation layer, alligator for application layer. 7 layers of OSI model. Physical layer, physical structure, data link layer, frames, network layer, packets, transport layer, end-to-end connection, session layer, sync and send to port, presentation layer, syntax layer, application layer, end user layer. The layer at work. This is a not A sending device, not B sending device. Physical layer transmit the data on the medium. Data link layer adds the MAC address to packets. Network layer add the appropriate network address to packet. Transport layer acknowledge the flow of data including retransmission where required. Session layer establish a connection and terminates it when no longer required. Presentation layer presents data to the receiver in the form it or recognize. Application layer support the communication between application over the network. Function of with the OSI model. Physical layer send the data onto the physical wire. Example hubs, NICs, cable. Data link layer reads the MAC address from data packets. Example switches. Network layer reads the IP address from the packets. Example router layer, third switch. Transport layer responsible for the transport protocol and error handling. Example TCP UDP. Session layer establish end connection between two hosts. Example NetBIOS PPTP. Presentation layer formats the data so that it can be viewed by the user. Encrypt and decrypt. Example JPG, GIF, HTTP, SSL, TLS. Application layer service that are used with end user application. Example SMTP. OSI model advantage: reduce complexity, standardization, interfaces, facilities, modular engineering, accelerated evolution, simplified teaching and learning, provide interoperability between vendors. Service of OSI model, that is sending computer, that is receiving computer. Originating